If you want to get a first piano for your kid, I definitely recommend this one. We picked this one up for Christmas, and it's for kids around 2 to 4 mostly. My kid's a little older, but he still uses it. He's also on the smaller side. 52 keys, I believe. Sounds good. And you don't have to plug it in. Just takes 4 AA batteries. They're right under here. Comes with this little stool. It's pretty easy to put together. This whole body was pre-assembled, like from here, and then there's just the sides, 2 screws right here on each side, and then one down there with the support bracket, and then you just put this stool together with these 4 screws. Doesn't take more than 20 minutes. Just remember to get some AA batteries for it. Comes with piano exercises here, a couple different songs, and a little holder. It's a nice style. Doesn't look like a toy, other than the size. It's not like plasticky or anything. Has this nice wood look to it, and he's really excited about it. And I hope your kid will be too. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.